Hello guys, I'm Kashup and today we're going to solve Leetcode question number 66 plus 1. So the question says you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits where each digit of I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So here's how the question is going to work. So we know that we have an array of integers. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basically what they want us to do is, 1, 2, 3, 4 as an integer is 1,234, correct? They want us to add 1 to this and return that as, bad one. Return this as an integer. As a, array of its digits. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And that as a list would be 1. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, and 5. They want us to return this, just the plus 1 of the original array of digits. So here's how I would do it. So firstly, we would set up a string, or an empty string, and basically we would loop through the whole array of nums, or digits actually, and then we would just add this number because we're concatenating it, right? So first time it would be 1, and then it would turn 3, 4, and this would be a string data type. Now we would convert this to an integer, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we would add 1 to that, which turns it into 1, 2, 3, 5. Turn this into a string, so 1, 2, 3, 5. And then convert this into a list in which each element or each character in that string is an integer, appended as an integer. So then it would turn into 1, 2, 3, and 5. Simple enough. Now, I'm going to solve this question really quickly. I'll code it up. And here's how I did. So, firstly, we have our, basic Leetcode boilerplate code. And then we have our new array. That's going to be our final array of digits, plus 1 digits. And we have our string digits that we're going to add, concatenate every single digit in digits to. And then, we're going to loop through digits, add that to string of I, and then we're going to add 1 to the integer of string of digits, which is our concatenated array, or concatenated string of digits in the array. And then we're going to convert that to a string. And then over here, go through that, append it to the new array of plus 1 digits, and then return that. Simple enough. Let's run some test cases and see how it looks like. We're going to create the self solution, and then we're going to print that. Plus 1. Was it over here? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Did not mean to do that. 1, 2, 3. We should get 1, 2, and 4 as our solution over here. Now, when we print that, there you go. 1, 2, and 4 is our solution for this code. Let's try another test case. 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we run this, should be 4, 3, 2, 2. Exactly, because 4,321 plus 1 is 4,322. And that as an array is 4,322. Now we can remove our test cases, put that into our, where is my code? Should be, there. Run that. See if our test cases work. And they do. And now we can submit this, see if it is efficient enough. Great, it does work, 39 milliseconds. I mean, you really should not be caring about, your percentage beat in Leetcode because it's all BS. Sometimes you get 99%, sometimes you get 2%. It's all just based on, see there. It's really should not be caring about that. But anyways, I'll post this solution in GitHub if you guys want to view it later. That's it for today.